The good news for the Xiaomi lovers because Xiaomi company launched the new smartphones with flying drone cameras. Hi friends, welcome back to this videos. In this videos, I'm going to show you the new upcoming smartphone of the Xiaomi brands. The name is Xiaomi Flying Drone Camera phones. Today we are trying to serially describe the new upcoming smartphones, Xiaomi smartphones, flying drone camera, release date, full specifications and price. You know Xiaomi is the most popular and branded mobile company in the world. Every year, the Xiaomi company wants to deliver some big flagship smartphones, middle class phones, and low budget high performing phones. So, always Xiaomi lovers waiting for the new upcoming smartphones. So, let's get started. If you want to learn more about this smartphone, so watch complete this videos. First, let's talk about the displays. The new upcoming smartphones comes with the 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen display and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. The good news for the Xiaomi lovers, with these smartphones used 1440 multiplied by 3200 pixels. Now let's talk about the cameras. The camera is very important parts of every good smartphone. So the Xiaomi added 200 megapixels primary lens plus 32 megapixels ultra wide lens plus 16 megapixels wide sensors plus 5 megapixels depth sensor as the flying drone camera. For selfie, it has a 64 megapixels camera. Regular camera features include like Z's, optic, LED flash, panorama and HDR are added. Now you can easily pick up pictures, make up videos of every movement with high resolutions, high pixels. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery is very important part of every good smartphone. So the new upcoming smartphone used 6300 mAh lithium type non-removable battery for its long time service and includes charging 120 watt quick battery charging features. After charging one time, you don't need a charge at least 45 hours. After briefly describing the battery and chargings, now let's talk about the memory capacity of the phone. So the new upcoming smartphone used two variants 12GB RAM and 16GB RAM and two variants 256GB and 512GB ROM. Customer can easily manage all this storage by using microSD card up to 1TB. After briefly describing the memory capacity of the phone, now let's talk about the operating system. The new upcoming smartphone added Android 14. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform make this smartphone very fast. The Xiaomi smartphone use GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, 5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of good smartphone. So Xiaomi upcoming mobile uses the latest sensor technology and their name is fingerprint under displays, accelerometers, gyro, proximity and campus. After briefly describing the whole specifications, now let's talk about the release date and price. The new upcoming smartphone's price will be started from 1299 USD dollar to 1220 euros. Now let's talk about the release date. The new upcoming smartphones comes with the 28 September 2024. This is not exact release date, the accepted release date, because most of the Xiaomi lovers searching for the exact release date of the new upcoming smartphones. I hope you have completely understand the new upcoming smartphone of the Xiaomi Flying Drone Camera 5G 2024 phones, release date, full specifications and price. If you have any kind of questions and thoughts about the smartphones, do tell us in the comment sections. I want to reply with you the valuable informations. If you visit first time our YouTube channel, so please hit that like subscribe buttons, press bell icons. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.